So see, this is what the like a question concept capsule 28 related to the PDF that I've already given in the WhatsApp. So now let's look at the question first. Look at the question first and then try to read it. Okay, फटाफट करके read कर लेते हैं ना question को. Hindustan Industries Mumbai has a branch in Cochin to which office goods are invoiced at cost plus 25%. The branch sells both for cash and on credit. Branch expenses are paid direct from head office and the branch has to remit all cash received into the HO. Okay, HO bank account. From the following details relating to the calendar year 2000, cross 1, prepare the accounts of the head office in the books of the head office ledger and ascertain the branch profit. Branch doesn't maintain any books of accounts but sends weekly return to the head office. HO. Okay. Now the basic information that has been given here is that number 1, goods received from HO at invoice price. That is given. Okay. Goods received from HO, okay, at invoice price. That has been given, clearly given. Now let's look into this. Number 1, goods received from HO at invoice price 6 lakh, returned to HO at invoice price 12,000, stock at Cochin means opening stock 60,000, sales in the year cash sale 2 lakh, trade sale 3 lakh 60, Sunday dated at opening date 72,000, cash received from debtor 320, discount allowed to debtor 6,000, अच्छा bad date in the year 4,000, sales return Cochin branch 8,000. Okay. And rain date taxes at branch 18,000, salaries, wages, bonus 60,000, office expense 6,000 and closing stock at invoice price 1,20,000. So this is what is given. Okay, clearly given. Okay, चलिए solve करते इसको clear cut. हाँ, see, first of all the data is given with respect to the opening balance. Just a minute, redemption of pref shares बहुत है, ये कर रहा है, मैं ट्रांसफर कर देता हूँ फर्स्ट क्लास. So please write down the opening balance. First put down the opening balance here. To balance B by D, what is the balance of the branch stocks? 60,000. Perfect, it's clearly given 60,000. Okay. Then what we need to do after that, we have sir goods received from HO. Sorry, one by one just I plot the opening balance at all. Okay, and also we have the closing balance. So it will be very easy for us if we plot down on the opening balance and closing balance of the stock. Perfect, it will be easy for us. So 1,20,000. And guys remember, I told you we are following stock and debtor method. So whenever we are going to follow stock and debtor method, definitely the account should be prepared at an invoice price, mainly the branch stock account. And all the loading should have to be unloaded in the stock adjustment account. I am repeating, all the loading should have to be unloaded at the stock adjustment account. Perfect, at the stock adjustment account. Now we have the opening stock and closing stock balance we have. Don't worry about this, we have done. Now goods received from HO at invoice price 6 lakh. So when goods received from HO, the journal entry be stock branch stock account debit to GSTV. When the goods are received from the HO or the goods sent to the branch, journal entry will be branch stock account debit to GSTB. So can I write GSTB account? How much it will be? 6 lakh rupees. Okay, as it is a GSTB and we are maintaining mainly the GSTB account. देखिए यहाँ पे. Okay, we are mainly maintaining GSTB, branch expense, branch profit and loss, Cochin branch stock, Cochin branch stock adjustment, and also none other that branch debtor account. Okay, so everything we are maintaining here. So here we can write as account is branch stock to GSTB. So GSTB is credited, branch stock is debited. So definitely in the goods sent to the branch account, we are going to plot by Cochin branch stock account. What is the balance of that? 6 lakh rupees. Fine, sir. It's okay. Next is return to HO at invoice price 12,000. So you have returned the goods to the HO at 12,000 rupees. So here we can do it by GSTB account, because the return entry is the inverse of the goods received from the HO, so it's 12,000, and the same amount will be plotted in the GSTB account to Cochin done, sir. This is what we have completed. Okay. Now next, stock at Cochin as on 1st Jan, that is what we done. Now sales in the year cash 2 lakhs. So we have the sale. So what is the journal entry of the sale? So in this case of the journal entry sale, so definitely we know that, sir, bank account debit to branch stock. Perfect. In case of the cash sale, and we have branch debtor account debit to branch stock in the case of credit sale. So can I write here by bank account cash sale? It is how much, sir? 2 lakh rupees. Okay. By branch debtor credit sale 3,60,000. Definitely these 3,60,000 is the branch debtor. As we are maintaining the branch debtor, we need to plot the branch debtor account also to branch stock. Perfect. How much amount is that? 3,60,000, sir. All the adjustment is done here. Now Sunday debtor is a opening balance is given. Sorry, I need to plot the Sunday debtor opening balance here. 2 balance BD. It is given in the question. Opening balance of the sundry debtor at Cochin branch is nothing but 72,000. Please plot it, huh? Opening balance always plot in the opening of the account. Cash received from debtor 3,20,000. It means cash received means cash account debit to branch debtor. So can I write here by cash account 3,20,000 you have received. Perfect. Next, discount allowed to debtor. It means a discount, bad debt, anything. The journal entry will be branch expenses account debit to branch debtor. Perfect. Branch expenses account debit to branch debtor. So can I write here by branch expenses? Discount allowed bad debt 6,000 plus 4,000. You can add it both. Write it down 10,000, and we are already maintaining our account called branch expenses. So can I plot here itself debit side mein to branch debtor account? Done hai, sir. Completed 10,000. After this we have sale return at Cochin branch. So sale return is what? It is returned by the Sunday debtor itself. So in case sale return by the branch debtor, so journal will be branch stock account debit, branch stock account debit to branch debtor. Perfect. Branch stock account debit to branch debtor, because stock is coming to our home as debtor is returned, because when we are going to make sale, the journal entry will be branch debtor to branch stock. So when the goods are returned back to our home, definitely it will be the opposite entry to branch debtor. You can write here return, and the return amount is nothing but the 8,000 rupees. And the same account will have to be posted here in the opposite side. That is called the double entry system. Achha, sorry. Cochin branch stock. Sir, after this we have rent rate and tax rate at branch 80,000. So any amount with respect to the rent rate, salaries, wages, office expense will go to the branch expense directly. Perfect. Will go to the branch expense directly. So we have that. So it is incurred in the branch actually. Perfect. So you can write here two. You can write here please 2. Sorry, bank, it will be bank because it's expenditure at bank. Okay. So to bank, I just do one thing, make a combined entry. Okay, make a total combined entry. You can do it separately, that's not a problem. Do it separately. ठीक है, चलिए separately कर लीजिए. नहीं तो you can do all the addition, rent rate, tax, everything else. Okay. Journal entry will be bank branch expenses to bank. When any expenses made at the branch, the journal entry will be branch expenses to bank account. So here you can write 18,000. You can write salaries and wages. 60,000 to bank account. 6,000 office expenses. Perfect. That we have already. Perfect. We have already done. ठीक है sir. Perfect. No problem. Now see what is the total expense I have. If you count out this, it will be latter part, not right now. Just to wait, okay. Achha, sorry, 1 minute. Guys, one thing we can do, rather putting in the branch expenses, rather we are going to transfer to the branch bill. This one, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप put कर सकते हैं, या तो what we can do, see, in case of bad debt and discount allowed, the journal entry we just need to check, what is the journal entry? See here, in case any bad debt and discount allowed, okay, to the branch debtor, so the entry will be branch expense to branch debtor, so we can do it, okay, that's not a problem, ठीक है. So after this, sir, what we have, I think so everything completed. So now what we are going to do, first complete this account. We have completed all the entries, okay, no entry has been pending. So what we are going to do, close it. I think so the balance will be more in that particular side. 325 on 6, 680, 692, okay, we have 692, 6,92,000, and here it is 668, so 24,000. So this 24,000 is nothing but the what? It's nothing but the surplus of the stock. It's called surplus of the stock, okay. So you can write here 2. So 2 branch stock adjustment account, definitely we need to transfer it. You can say surplus of stock 692. This will go to transfer here. Perfect. थोड़ा नीचे by Cochin branch stock account 24,000, sir. By Cochin branch stock 24,000. Now what we are going to do it? This is what we have completed. Now in branch stock adjustment, we have to unload all the profit. We have to unload all the profit. So now start unloading the invoice prices in the stock adjustment. First opening stock 60,000. The question says the invoice goods at cost plus 25%. It means cost plus 25 means cost 100, profit 25. Total is 125. Cost 100, profit 25. Total it is 125. So can I write here by, just try to understand, by, you can say by branch, by stock reserve account, okay, it's a stock. So just try to understand, 60,000 we have. So what we are going to do, see, 60,000 is the IP invoice price, and we have invoice price how much? 125. Can you just make a working note here so it will be clear to you? Just make a working note here now. Invoiced at, okay, invoiced at cost plus 25%. Invoiced at cost plus 25%. ठीक है? So cost is 100, profit is 25. So total is 125. Correct? Cost is 100 and profit is 25. Its total is around 125. Okay, that is what done. Now try to understand. If profit is 25% on the cost, so profit on sale we can easily calculate because we know the profit 25, we know the sale into 100. It means 20%. Perfect. Perfect. So profit on cost 25%. So profit on sale 20%. So just come here and put down there. Okay. फटाक से plot कीजिए, हो जाएगी easily. So here it will be 20%. So it's 12,000. After this, we have 6 lakh rupees of GSTB. It means the transfer one. Same way, by branch, you can write please by, अच्छा GSTB कर दीजिए, better होगा. By GSTB account, sir, what is the value will be? We have 6 lakh rupees and definitely it will be 20%. So 120 perfect. Other than this, we don't have anything else. Okay, we don't have anything else right now. Now what we have to do again, the GSTB account 12,000, that is the return one. To GSTB account, so return is 12,000 and इनके ऊपर कितना है 20%, because we are doing calculation on the sale value directly, it means invoice. So taking it directly to other than this, I don't think so anything else left. Okay, that's we have done. So 12,000 perfect. Acha, other than this, we have the closing stock, this one. So you can write here to stock reserve. Okay, 1 lakh 20 is the closing stock. 20% means 24,000. I think so. No such adjustment left in the branch stock. See that we need to understand. All the adjustment related to the branch stock should be plotted in the branch stock adjustment, and no other adjustment will be seated in any of the branch stock adjustment account. Okay, so we need to complete this. It will be around 120, 12, 32, 24, 156. Okay, it's a 156 minus, just give me a minute, I just calculate this. 156 minus 24, it means 132. 132 say 2,400. If you are going to deduct it, then the balance will be around sir 129,600. Okay, so you can write here, obviously what we discussed, the profit or loss generated from the branch stock adjustment is nothing but the gross profit, which will transfer to the branch P&L account. Perfect. So here you can write branch P&L account. Profit on sale, Balfic 156. It's 156 perfect. It's 156 done. So that is what done. Now see, we need to just transfer this, and most important guys, remember the transaction that we have already made here, I have already plotted in the respective account. Now it's time to plot all the respective account, the entry we made in the stock adjustment. Here stock reserve, no entry required. GSTB stock already done. This one need to be recorded, GSTB, and also GSTB and branch P&L. So what we are going to do, just see, 2 GSTB 2400, perfect, 2 GSTB 2400. So this one goes to the buy here. Okay, buy Cochin $2,400 to Cochin so it will have something around 1,20,000. Okay, and in branch PL we have something called 129,600, which is plotted in the buy Cochin $129,600. Perfect. Now what we are going to do, see, I don't think so anything like that, not don't think so, I don't have any account to be incorporated in the branch expense. So first complete this. Okay, 10, 18, 28, 16, 88, 6, 94,000. Okay, 94,000. Okay, so do it one thing, by, see, all the expense should be transferred the year end to branch P&L. You can see balancing figure 94,000. 2 two branch expenses 94,000 perfect. 2 branch expenses 94,000 perfect. 2 branch expenses 94,000. That is what done. We have completed this one. So 2 branch expenses 94,000, sir. It's completed, sir. Perfect. Now see, after completing this, what we are going to do? Come here. Come to the branch data part. Come to the branch data part. So see, branch data we have balance here. Here the balance. Here the stock. Here the cash. Here the expenses. Here the Cochin branch stock. So everything we have. Now just try to find out what is missing. Sonal, what is missing here? Tell me. What is missing here? From your point of view. What we are missing here actually in the branch data account? Opening balance we have. Tell me, Sonal, tell me. Sorry. I wanted to know that which item is missing in the branch data. Sales. No, sales I plotted na. Acha, sales it is create sale. It is collection. Sorry, Revati? Perfect. Closing stock, closing data. Perfect. So we have to calculate closing data. By balance C by D. 432 is the balance minus 8,000. So 432 minus 8,000 minus 10,000, 320. So 338. So 432, 338, 92,000. It means 92,000. Okay. Calculate कर लेते एक बार guys. 432 minus 320 minus 10 minus 8. 94,000. Okay. Sorry. 94,000. So we have the balance of 94,000 as a closing balance. So perfect. Very good, Revati. Copy it. Copy. 94,000 is the balance. Perfect. Very, very good. So now after this we have to close the goods sent to branch and branch P&L. Okay, we have to close the branch P&L and goods sent to the branch. So in the branch P&L, I don't think so any adjustment is left. Correct. Almost all the adjustment that is required to be done, we have already done it. Perfect. So now we can close it. 2. See, any amount as a balancing figure in the P&L represent the net profit. We know that, sir. So here you can write profit and loss account. So we can write profit and loss account, net profit to be transferred. How much is the balance, sir? 129,600 minus 94,000. So 94, 25, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. So कितना बड़ा balance देख लेते हैं? 35,600 I think so. देखे तो एक बार guys, मैं भी देख लेता हूँ. 129.6 minus 94. Yeah, 35.6. It means 35,600. That is done, sir. Completed. Okay, 35,600. That is what completed. परफेक्ट है सर, परफेक्ट है एकदम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो इट्स ऑल्सो क्लोज्ड. 129,600 129,600 comes here. Okay, see the company itself is nothing but the, I think so, just check it out whether the company, if you go to the question whether the company is a manufacturing company or trading. No, it doesn't gives any information at all. Okay, it doesn't give any information also. You can close by purchase account, because see, in case of manufacturing and trading business, okay, we are going to close by the trading account, we know that, sir. In case of other than manufacturing trading, we can close it through purchase accounts, we know that, sir. देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने करके दिखाया था. In case of manufacturing company, trading will use. In case of normal, we can use purchase. So rather we are going to use purchase here because it's not a manufacturing company. Perfect. So you can write here, balance will be 602 400. So balance will be 602 400 minus 12,000 minus 120. We have the balance of 470 400. Okay. 470 400, which is represent actually the purchase of the company. So you can write here to purchase account. Okay. Balfic. See how a 10 mark sum has been covered very easily. How a 10 mark sums very easily covered out. Okay. So this is what the total fundamental, okay, in terms of the branch, in terms of the what? In terms of the branch stock and data system. Okay, so we have done a lot of sums here. Okay, I think so we have completed already 4-5 sums in the branch stock. Okay, other means lot of sums also there in the book also itself. There is a lot of sums in the stock and data system, but rather we are going to start with respect to the final account. So first we are going to learn the final accounts method. Okay, so first we are going to start final account method. See what happened now, guys. Everyone whoever comes with the commerce, whoever comes from the commerce background, na, everyone knows what is a final account. Final accounts means what? Final accounts mean preparing the books of accounts based on the certain items, like whatever the amount that we have in terms of asset, whatever the amount we have to pay in terms of liabilities, and whatever the expenses income we made. With respect to these all items, we need to prepare a summarization or the statement through which we can interpret how far good result we have earned. And this is nothing but known as a, this is nothing but the known as a what? Financial statement. It means when we are going to report all the expense and income in a logistic way, or in a you can say in a single platform through which we can easily understand how much profit we earn, how much loss we earn. So the platform that we are going to use to incorporate all the expense and losses, okay, and also incomes and gains, these are known as actually profit and loss statement. And the platform through which we can present our position of the company is called the financial position, is called the balance sheet. So balance sheet dictates the financial position, profit and loss dictate the financial health. How much means how much profit you have earned or how much loss we have. So these two are the main heads of the accounts through which we can represent the final accounts. That we already know that very much well, correct? So other than this, there are a lot of statement also there. But in our terms and conditions, okay, in our case right now, in branch account, there is separate method which is called final account method that we already knows, but still we need to follow and still we need to understand to complete this particular phase. Okay, so now just try to understand in that case how to prepare the branch final account method. So you can write here, please, everyone please write down here. We are into the phase of third method. Okay, branch So we are into the branch final account method. I am repeating, we are into the branch final account method. Okay, we are into the branch final account method. So in the case of branch final account method, so what we are going to do it, चलिए देखते हैं एक बार. See here you can write, please, the branch trading. See, final account itself depict the trading and PL account. Okay, final account means trading and PL account. So we are going to prepare trading and PL account to calculate the branch profit and loss. So the branch trading and profit and loss account is prepared exactly on the same basis as in case of other normal, in case of other normal concerns. Okay, the way we prepare the accounts with respect to the normal concerns, the same way we are going to prepare it. Okay, it is to be noted that the opening stock GSTB, okay, goods return by the branch and closing stock are to be shown at cost, that is excluding profit. See, this is very important line. Okay, everyone please copy and note it with me. When you are going to prepare the books of accounts under the data system में हम लोग किए थे, data system we know that how to prepare the books of accounts in terms of the IP and also cost. Here we are going to learn also how to prepare the books of accounts under the final account method, and just try to understand we need to show at a cost. So the goods sent to the branch, goods return and opening stock and closing stock, all items should be shown at cost. No IP to be recorded in the branch trading and PL account. No IP to be recorded at branch trading and PL account. I am repeating. No IT to be no, you can say no IP invoice price to be recorded in the branch trading and PL account. Rather, we are going to simply record the part of the, you can say cost only. Okay, we can say cost only. So here certain format we have. Okay, I am going to give you the format so that you can understand and go through it very properly. Then we are going to start the question. Okay, fast and in a very fast way, please write down the format. Okay, make a shape of that statement shape. Wait, kitchen, not statement, sorry, ledger shape. I just give you the format so that you can remember this. चलिए फॉर्मेट एक बार लिख लेते हैं फॉर्मेट को. फॉर्मेट बहुत इजी है. It's a very easy type of format we have in that particular method. Okay, so you can write here books of dot dot dot. Okay, you can write here branch trading and profit and loss account for the year ended dot dot 31st March dot dot. You can say right now. Okay, not a problem. Rupees particulars rupees great. Okay, done. Now please put it down. See, to opening stock first, it will be same as that we have already done in the final account. Okay, remember all are at cost. Okay, all are at cost. 2, goods sent to branch account. Okay, less return to HO here. So I need to make a 2 column. I just forgot it. No matter. Here we can show it. Okay, perfect. Now we can do it. To purchase account. The purchase means here the direct purchase made by the branch. You can write here direct purchase means purchase so here you can write here perfect. Now buy sales See, the normal things that we are do, I am doing the same thing. Okay, no such difference. Okay, you have some cash, you have some credit, you may have some return also. Okay, less return from debtor. So this two and minus this, you are going to get this. Perfect. Now buy abnormal loss. Okay, or you can write abnormal loss. You can write also buy goods in transit. Perfect. So buy goods in transit and then sorry buy होगा ना, टू लिख दिया. Buy, you can add also buy closing stock. Okay, so in case of closing stock we may have certain amount of balances. Let's say in closing stock you may have different types of goods in hand. Okay, one is called supplied by HO. You may have some closing stock which is related to the supplied by HO. You may have some closing stock which is related to the direct purchase. It means purchase by branch. Just try to understand. You may have some closing stock related to the supplied by the HO. You may have some closing stock related to the you purchase directly. Related to the clothing stock you have purchased directly. Perfect. So these are all the information related to this. That is what done we have. So after this, what we are going to do it? After this, we have to calculate the gross profit. Perfect. So to gross profit C by D. See, it is nothing but the profit. It is quite obvious the loss may be happen. Okay, loss may be happen, and please mention at cost. In black, you can mention at cost. Okay, at cost. So gross profit CD. I'm just write it down here. Gross profit CD. And also you can write here gross profit CD, because if you have the loss then you can record here also. Perfect. So you can just transfer this. Okay, you can plot here. You can write in case of loss. Okay, fine. Now make it little bit extensible. To branch expenses. Perfect. To loss on fire. See, the amount you plotted here, na? The amount you plotted here is the total loss, and the amount you plotted here, it will be the net loss. It means total loss minus claim receipt. Perfect. Total loss minus claim receipt. So that balance will we have. After this, we have two capital account. So sorry, two, you can say two, you can say the profit and loss account. Okay, two profit and loss account. Net profit transfer. Perfect. Done, sir. Completed. See, this is what the format we have. Okay, please note it down jaldi. So very easy. See, the way I did na, it's nothing but the simplistic way of presenting the final accounts. Okay, it's a very simplistic way to presenting the final accounts. Okay, let's move on. So guys, do one thing. Very good sums are there. Just give me a minute. I just wanted to check. Uh, 3A we have done. I know that. Okay, 3A we have completed already. आप लोग ना बुक ओपन कर लीजिए. Okay, I am going to show you. Okay, you guys please open your book. Please requesting. हाँ, I am going to show you. This question number 3A we have already done. Okay, this 3A question we have already done this. Other than this, we have, see, direct method. We know that branch account, goods sent to branch, etc. Data method, sorry. So we know that, so we have completed this part. Okay, so I'm requesting to do it, Revati, Bhumi, everyone. So these sums also being done. Perfect. So requesting everyone please to do it. And question number 4, see this one. Okay, we have not done it, but I think so you can do it because we have done lot of some stock and data. You can please try. Question number 4 mark कर लीजिए. This one is a trading and profit loss account final method. Okay, so this question I'm going to do it. Okay, this question I'm going to do it. चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को करते हैं और इसमें क्लियर कट कर लेते हैं कि क्या है क्वेश्चन में एक्चुअली, व्हाट इज दिस मेथड एक्चुअली. ओके, because see, like after certain point of time we are going to start independent method. Okay, sorry, independent branch in the next class. So this is what the time that we are going to complete this. Okay, final account method क्या बोल रहे हैं देखिए एक बार, उसको तो एग्जाम क्वेश्चन करेंगे, पहले इसको कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. It says following is the information of the journal. Sorry, following is the example of Jammu branch of Best New Delhi for the year ending 31st March 2022. From the following, goods are invoiced to the branch at cost plus 20%. The sale price is cost plus 50%. So, sir, goods invoiced to the branch cost plus 20%, and sale price is nothing but the cost plus 50%. So, this is the different thing. Okay, this is a different thing. Typically, sale price become cost plus 50 and goods sent here 20% में. ठीक है, good sir, very good. We have stock invoice price, we have the goods sent invoice price, we have the sale during the, we have expense incurred at the branch. Very few items are given. No such difficult. The profit earned by the branch during the year and the branch stock reserve in respect of unrealized profit. So they wanted to know what is the profit made by the branch, that we need to calculate through the branch trading account and P&L account, and we need to just calculate the branch stock reserve in respect of the unrealized profit. The unrealized profit we have, we just need to prepare the unrealized profit. So calculate the unrealized profit with respect to the branch stock reserve. Okay. So these are the two basic, very few basic examples are given. Question are given. I just request everyone to please go through this question once. Take your 2 minute time. We're just going to start it. हाँ, फटाक से देख लीजिए, स्टार्ट करना है मुझे. चलिए स्टार्ट करें। Okay, guys, see. Books of Best New Delhi. Okay, Books of Best New Delhi. Books of Best New Delhi, Jammu branch trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 20 cross 2. Okay, 31st March 20 cross 2. So particulars this and this given. So now let's start with the question first. Okay, opening stock is given, but remember opening stock is given at profit. Remember, opening stock is given, but opening stock is given at profit. So the first thing is that we need to first of all, whenever we're going to do it, so at invoice में दिया ना, invoice price में दिया हुआ है. So the question, see, that try to understand. We already know that in that particular case where we are going to do this, so we need to do it at cost. Okay, but I think so they have said that we need to calculate based on the invoice price itself. We need to calculate based on the invoice price itself that they are asking us. Okay, so as we don't have any such of information, okay, regarding this, so we are going to prepare the books at invoice price. As there is no such information we have with respect to this, so we can prepare, you can say we can prepare at a invoice price. Okay, you can it, but also one most important thing is that we can also do at a cost price. See, there is no harm to do the cost. Okay, I can do it, so I am going to do it based on cost price. देखिए मैं cost में करता हूँ. See how I am going to do it cost. Okay, see I told you to prepare at a cost price method. Everyone listening, guys? Everyone? Bhumi, Sonal, Supriya, Revati, are you listening me na clearly? Chalo. See what I discussed just some time ago, that we need to prepare the trading and PL account at cost. See, institute does do it based on invoice price. I don't know why. Okay, but see, as we learn that I have to prepare at cost, so I am going to keep my word itself. Rather going to follow institute, I am going to follow my word first. Okay, so I am going to prepare the trading account and PL account of Jammu branch at cost. ठीक है, cost में हम लोग करते हैं. तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. First, you can see the opening stock we have, it's 2,22,000. Now I'm going to show it. Okay, देखिए opening stock 2,22,000. So at invoice price, now we need to just calculate the profit included here. That is most important. So let's see. पहले हम लोग profit को थोड़ा unload कर लेते हैं, हाँ. And we are going to calculate what is the profit included there. See here. First of all, the question says the invoice price. Okay, it is question says invoice price working. You can do it. They are saying that the invoice is made. Invoice is made at cost plus 20%. It means what? Invoice price is nothing but what? Invoice price is nothing but 120%. So you can write here IP is 120%. Perfect. So can I write, if my opening stock is 2,22,000, 2,20,000, Okay, if my invoice price is 2,20,000, okay, so if my invoice price is 2,20,000, so what I'm going to do it, so if it is 2,20,000, then definitely I can say it, sir, this is nothing but my 120% का value, so 100 का कितना होगा, I need to show it at cost, so then I am going to write down here at cost. It make me very easy to understand at the time of revision. Perfect. So now I am going to write it 220 into 100 divided by 120. I am getting 183,333. Okay, 183,333. That's okay for me. No problem at all. Okay. Now let's see. After this, what we have? We have some goods sent during the year 11 lakh rupees. Okay. Goods sent 11 lakh rupees. So can I do it? One thing. And sell 12 lakh. Okay. And expense during at the branch 45,000. So see. 2 goods sent to the branch. 11 lakh. Definitely it's nothing but 120 का वैल्यू है. एक्सो का वैल्यू कितना होगा कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. I'm getting 916,667. Okay, 916,667. Then we have, sir, sales during the year 12 lakh. Sir, sales during the year 12 lakh. Perfect. We have the sales during the year 12 lakh. So you can write here buy sales. See, whatever we have in the sales, we are not going to bother about it. Okay. So sales we have, we can easily record it. Sale price is nothing but your 12 lakh rupees. Okay. सेल में कुछ अनलोड नहीं होता है. जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, वी डोंट हैव एनी अनलोडिंग ऑप्शन एट द सेल, बिकॉज सेल तो सेल होता है ना. डेफिनेटली सेल में तो प्रॉफिट रहता है. दैट्स व्हाई द ब्रांच पीएल अकाउंट शोइंग द प्रॉफिट. एंड नाउ वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट वी हैव सम एक्सपेंसेस. व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंस अमाउंट? इट्स कॉल्ड 45,000. देखिए एक बार फटाक से. सो वी कैन राइट एक्सपेंसेस, branch expenses, how much it is? 45,000. Perfect, 45,000. So can I calculate the closing stock here? Buy closing stock easily. ये तो जरूर कॉस्ट में आ जाएंगे. देख लेते एक बार सर क्या है. Okay, see, we have to calculate the closing stock. So definitely we need to plot here what? Gross profit. Perfect. Gross profit C by D. Perfect or not? बोलिए. Perfect है ना? Gross profit तो calculate करने हैं. Otherwise how I am going to calculate the closing stock? Because see, all the figures are perfect. But see, in the branch trading and PL, we need some gross profit. Otherwise how I can calculate the closing stock? Because debit is big and credit is lower, and it is only and only possible if we plot all the items related to the branch PL. Correct? So we need to plot the you can say gross profit, or you can say also net profit also. अच्छा एक काम कीजिए, इसको ना net profit लिखिए. To profit and loss account. Looks very good, huh? Because expense we have plotted, na, so we cannot write gross profit. So just try to understand the sale price. Okay, just try to understand the sale price. We have 12 lakh rupees. Okay, and our sale price is cost plus 50%. Okay, our sale price is cost plus 50%. So how I am going to calculate this net profit? It's a difficult challenge. Now first of all, अब कैलकुलेशन में मजा आएगा. देखिए एक बार गाइस, एवरीवन प्लीज सी. Now it's become a challenging part for me. Okay, very challenging. Now just think and rethink. Okay, think and rethink. First, you just see my goods are invoiced at branch to the branch at cost is plus 20%. The sale price is cost plus 50%. And if you are going to check it, goods sent during the year, invoice price 11 lakh. Perfect, 11 lakh. Now what I am going to do it is that, first of all, if you see, सर आई नीड टू फर्स्ट कैलकुलेट द क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, अदरवाइज ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कैसे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे? इम्पॉसिबल. To calculate gross profit is little bit like truly impossible for me right now. Rather, I am going to focus on the closing stock. So, how to calculate the closing stock? It's a challenging part. It's a difficult part. How to calculate the closing stock? Perfect. So, what I am going to do it? देखिए. सी, अच्छा इसमें नहीं जाएंगे, ये तो इनवर्स में किया है, सॉरी गाइस, इसमें नहीं जाएंगे हम लोग, इसको नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. दैट्स व्हाट नॉट आवर टास्क. ओके, okay, I got it guys, got it. See, I have already that. Okay, I have already calculated this part. So चलिए एक बार कैलकुलेट करके देख लेते हैं. देखिए मेरा टेक्निक, देखिए कैसे आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द टेक्निक ऑफ माइन. ओके, सी, try to focus and automatically you need not to do any working, rather I am going to get easily. Sir, my opening stock at cost 183,333. Sir, my purchase is 916,667. Sir, my sale is 12 lakh rupees. Fine, my sale is 12 lakh rupees. Now just try to focus. Sir, the sale has been made. The sale has been made at 12 lakh rupees at the rate 150%. It means 50% profit on cost. क्या लिखा है? 50% profit on cost. It means the sale is nothing but the 150%. The sale is nothing but 150% of the cost. So can you tell me that whatever the opening stock plus closing opening stock plus purchase I have, and if I am going to deduct the cost of the goods sold, it means whatever the goods I have already sold, I just need to calculate the cost, then I can easily get the closing stock because I have the formula. So now I know COGS equal to opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. You all know that. If I wanted to know what is my COGS, the best thing is that my sale is 12 lakh rupees and it is nothing but 150%. It is nothing but 150%. So I am just going to there so that make you more understandable on that part. See guys, sale is 150%. That is cost plus profit. Sir, it means what? It means my profit is 50%. My profit is 50%. So, if you can say that sale price 12 lakh is equal to 150%, I can write easily. So, what about the 100%? It will be 12 lakh is equivalent to the 150%. So what will be the 100% value? It means 8 lakh. Perfect. So which is nothing but your cost. So now if I plot the formula, so if cost means it is nothing but my COGS, cost of the goods sold. Perfect. So if I am going to give it the COGS, opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock, then COGS I know 8 lakh rupees, opening stock I 183,333, purchase 916,667 minus closing stock. So if I side changing it, then it will be go to their closing stock and 8 lakh will be right hand side, 11 lakh minus 8 lakh is nothing like 3 lakh is the closing stock. Perfect. So just plot here closing stock. देखिए यहाँ पे plot कर दीजिए closing stock 3 lakh rupees. Now you calculate the gross profit, net profit. So it will be 15 lakh. It will be 15 lakh. Perfect. It will be 15 lakh. Perfect. It will be 15 lakh perfect. One minute. Huh? Okay. What will be the profit that you have? I need to calculate this right now. चलिए देख लेते कितना हो गया मेरा टोटल हो गया 15 लाख यार. ओके वी हैव दैट 15 लाख. हाँ 916667 प्लस 183,333 प्लस 45,000 1145 minus 50 lakh. It's too much. 3 lakh 55. Guys, 1 minute, just a minute. Here the figure is not is matching as with respect to that part. Okay, देखते एक बार क्यों मैच नहीं कर रहा है मेरा. It is 15 lakh. Okay, it is coming 15 lakh. चलिए, it is coming total 15 lakh, and here if you add this, you are going to get 11 lakh 45. So my profit is coming 355. How much? Because see, it's a very much high level of differences I have. Okay. I don't know why this much of high level of differences we are getting. It's a good amount of differences I have. Just give me a minute. I just make a calculation on that part. Take it guys, no problem. You do it. 3 lakh 55,000. I am going to check it whether there is any mistake happening with me or else anything else in the book. So you can write profit for the year. Okay, is a huge difference. Is 195 where it is in the institute and I have 350. So there is a huge built-up differences I and both the institute has. But I don't think so. There is why this much of level of differences I have. I don't know. Like there is maybe some mismatch or nothing. Something is going to happen. That's why this is made at all. चलिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So ये हो गया 15 lakh perfect. Now see, the next question that I has is that देखिएगा एक बार please. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है सर? What is a branch stock reserve in respect of unrealized profit? It means whatever the closing stock I already has. So what is the unrealized profit in it? That's they wanted to know. What is the unrealized profit they had? They wanted to know from me. So if I am going to calculate this very easily, so I can write it, sir. In case I am going to calculate this very easily, I am going to write it. See here. See, if I'm going to tell you that my cost of the closing stock is 3 lakh, so obviously the profit, you can say, sorry, unrealized profit on closing stock, definitely you can easily calculate. If the closing stock value is 3 lakh, then the unrealized profit on closing stock nothing but 3 lakh into 120%, because inverse price is nothing but the 120% of the cost. So if it is given, definitely, so it will be, you can say, just 3 lakh 60 minus 3 lakh rupees, perfect. Okay, so you may have 60,000, perfect. So that is what the calculation. 3 lakh is the cost and IP of the closing stock is 3 lakh 60. So the balance of these two, or the difference between these two, will represent the unrealized profit on the closing stock. That's the question is asking to me, and I have clear on that part. Done, sir. Completed. I have covered this. Okay. So this is what we have with respect to the branch. See, with respect to the branch trading and PL account. Okay, this is what you have. Okay, so nothing as such as difficult of that part. So now चलिए एक क्वेश्चन मैं आप लोगों को बोल देता हूँ. Guys, see, what you going to do it? We have completed that fully part. Okay, as like a branch PL and trading account is not so much popular to chances to get in the exam, but see, we have done it, and any sums I have, I'm definitely going to do it, but rather I'm going to give you one sums in the WhatsApp. You are going to practice it out. Okay, so this is what we have, and the next class we are going to learn started independent branch account. Okay,